Okay, so we're on a street called Rua de Saúde. This Saúde basically means health in English. And we're in this area called, let me just kind of show you real quick. This area is called Iohon, and the Mercado is right behind us. And this particular part, there's almost pretty much no foreigners around this area. So when I'm in this area, I'll get stared at a lot. So we'll probably see that actually every time I look at somebody, they're looking at me. But anyways, we're kind of this Iohon area. That's the name of the greater neighborhood. And we're going to be heading directly down that way. And there's kind of a lot of cool stuff in here as well. So it should be kind of an interesting street. And that's the name right there, Rua de Saúde. We're going to be starting out over there in a second as well. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, Rua de Saúde Health. So we're just gonna kind of check this whole street out a little bit. That's the Mercado over there, the Iohon Mercado. A lot of interesting people around here too. And Saúde is Health Street, so we'll see what that's all about. And by walking down Health Street, pretty cool apartments in here. And actually over here, there's a lot of kind of stuff connected to the Mercado. So they got some kind of interesting stuff around here as well. I'm not sure what those are. Those are kind of cool though. And they're also making a bunch of, they got a lot of dumplings as well. And bakeries. Looks kind of cool. You got a bunch of dumplings right there too. So yeah, actually this kind of looks cool. So they got dumplings there and they got that little tiny thing right there. It's fun to see. It looks cool. It's really cool. Can I film? I'm just gonna take it. Oops. Amazing. Looks really cool. Thank you. Looks really amazing. So I never saw how they made those before. So they basically have like little dumplings there. So they're making dumplings in that shop. And that's the name of it right there. Pastelaria Cancun. And we're right near this Iohon area as well. It's cool. I never saw that before. Never saw how they made those. I think in this area they might make a lot of these things and then sell them to other parts of the city. I think this one is a Chinese pharmacy. So it's all Chinese pharmacy medicine, which is kind of cool because that's part of the plan in the future. Here's a cup of coffee. Got some sandwiches here as well. It's funny how that's popular. Like the sandwich stuff is kind of popular, the bread. I feel like because it's like, you know, they think of it as like European, so they think Europeans eat bread, Asians eat rice, so they have this fusion with bread. There's a lot of bakeries right here too. Oh, these are kind of interesting. A lot of interesting shops in here. Huh. Prices are really good too. Those look kind of cool. So yeah, kind of cool. They got all these shops like that. And they got dumplings. There's the apartments next to us. So yeah, kind of interesting so far. I'm kind of liking it. So this is a Saude, Rua de Saúde, another pharmacy, another Chinese medicine shop. So we got yeah, Chinese medicine again as well. Then we got these little things like this. Kind of cool. All those apartments up there. That's kind of cool. There's a little corner store right there. Rua de Saúde. It's kind of a cool little space. That's the restaurant here. So that one's called Comidas Vang Hong. And it's like, basically got like fried rice. Oh, that's kind of tasty. Again, you got some bread stuff as well, pork chop bun, noodles and Spam. I think I want to eat some of that later. I don't know about that one, but I'm going to find something similar somewhere in this area. Kind of got a lot of interesting stuff. Okay, let's see, this one says fashion. So we got shampoos for 80 mop. Brazilian blowout. Let's see what's next. Oh, okay, we've got some meat here. Chinese New Year. So we're gonna go across Hippodromo Street. Strada Marginal do Hippodromo. So that's basically that street right there. Give you a little context and stuff. So we're on Strada Marginal do Hippodromo. And we're just gonna keep on walking down Saude Street over here. Let me just kind of look back where we were just at. Okay, we got our green light. Let's go check it all out. Kinda cool. Cohen Works. What's that? Correios, post office. This is some kind of interesting design there. Usually I'll see like more tourism stuff, but up here it looks like they got like stuff that's more connected to mainland China. So they got those like cranes there. Like something you might see in Yongsha or somewhere. Kind of cool. It's a car shop. So it looks like we're heading into the car shop area. Like this is like kind of an industrial office area. So I wonder if we're even still on Saúde Street. Might not be. So this one looks like it's kind of like Taobao kind of stuff. Let's keep on going. Let's see where we are. So it looks like I think we might have just came to a different street, because I'm seeing these Seis do Barrio de Era Preta, and I kind of know where we're at. I'm going to try to go across, but we're going to look for a sign as well. So I think, so that was basically, might have been the end of South Street. So we'll just see. There's this other area called, oh, there's our Target Street right there. It's also, we're going to sneak across real quick. So now we're in this area called Rua do Barrio de Era Preta. So this area called Era Preta, basically there's like dois is 2, so there's dois, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, and over there is cinco. Rua Cinco do Barrio de Era Preta. So there's number 5, seis, number 6. So basically they're all numerical. So so we actually went into another street altogether, so we're not on Hub Street anymore. So what we're gonna do is head back to Saude Street, just to give a little bit of context to everything. We got like a big giant thing of butter on that thing. Waffle stuff. These noodles look pretty good. I think this is called Signature. Let's see what this is real quick. It kind of has a nice style to it. And you got some like pork chop bun, ramen, and that looks like just like a big chunk of butter right there. Could be cheese. Look at that, it's like a chunk of egg. Anyway, it's kind of cool. So we're gonna head back to Saude Street, and then we'll see where we go from here. There's all these little Era Preta streets as well, and then up there we have all these Hon streets. So we kind of got a ton of them. But yeah, as soon as we went into this area, you can see it has a lot more of industrial feel. Let's go back to Saude. So we're gonna close it out at Saude, but we're kind of giving you a little bit of a bonus one as well. Chicken pilau with rice. Huh. Fried wonton, it's always tasty. I like this too, but I like it even better when it's like thin noodles. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get something to eat soon. So that's back to that crane right over there. And yeah, we're on Cinco de Barrio de Aeropreta. And that's Saúde over that way. So that was our Chugga Street. I guess it's just a kind of a short block. One little thing. That's Hippodromo. Okay. Hope you like that one. We're just gonna end it right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.